At NTU, we're a teaching intensive, research active institution. And when I came into this role, these were kind of the challenges that we're having. So you wanted to do all this stuff, but there was kind of no authority, no single version of the truth. As a PMO, we couldn't quality assure anything. The university invested in Office 365. We engaged with program framework and kind of commenced the configuration of the out-of-the-box Office 365. What program framework we're really great at was really drilling down as to what are our immediate objectives.
And it's very much about scoping, understanding what's in, what's out for that first iteration of the solution when we go live with something that delivers value, which is simple and can be adopted.
By being able to move that quickly, we were able to show the benefit of this.
Resource management is probably one of the #1 topics that customers want to talk about. It's a key pain point.
We didn't have a view of what resources we're working on, what resource availability we had.
We listened carefully to what NTU really required from resource management on day one. And it wasn't about detailed understanding of what everyone was doing and timesheeting and recording of actuals. It was really about an understanding of loading of teams. So that gave us a chance to just deploy a generic team level based resource loading and management process.
Pictorially, graphically, we're able to articulate the capacity of a team and show what those teams are committed to. We're now able to track utilisation. That's great. We couldn't do that 18 months ago. And all of a sudden, that's surfacing lots more information around the true cost benefit of a delivery. I really would encourage you to look at the capability of Power BI. The great value that I see of Power BI is it brings the data alive. What that then allows me to do is present information to stakeholders that allows them to interrogate the data. So the other thing that the program framework consultant was really helpful with was running coaching sessions, creating support material, bringing community of practice together, walking them through the system so that they could start to feel comfortable and confident with the product. The beauty of program framework for our implementation is that we were kind of surprised that quite quickly we could have a real basic but core functionality in place, and from early requirement workshops in September, by November we were live with a project register, with project sites, with project highlight reporting, and we were delivering that information to quite a sizable project delivery community.